So I wanted to show you guys the rocks on this property are just out of control, but we've got a lot of quartz and rose quartz. You can kind of see the rosy color here, so that is a little bit of rose quartz there. And sometimes you'll find just giant rose quartz. Actually, that's one of the things about this property that we loved the most when we first saw it, was all of the rose quartz, which...
Bobby, I just found a snake under that log.
Ooh, a snake. Be careful. Let's stay away from it, guys.
Yeah, that's the colors of a copperhead. Oh, gosh.
Where is it?
It was black and red.
Okay, back up. Stay away from it.
It's under that.
Okay.
log.
Yeah, so what I was saying was that we have a lot of really beautiful rocks here. Quartz and the rose quartz, and what we really loved about this property, one of the things that I loved, was the amount of rose quartz everywhere you look, and it's supposed to attract love, and you know, I definitely think it does. So I just wanted to show you guys that's one of the really cool things about our land and what we love about it here. Okay, back with more cool rocks. So we were told that up higher on the mountain there was a soapstone mine at one point. But I find soapstone down here and they've actually been shaped. Look at this. I mean, that is man-made, right? So the soapstone, you know, I think they just would chisel it back in the day, and I don't know for sure. Please leave comments if you do. I'm really interested in it. But this soapstone, I mean, like, look at it. How cool. It feels like talc, like powder. But there's another piece. I mean, look at that thing. That is a building block, right? Soapstone. How interesting is that? Definitely leave comments if you know anything about soapstone. I would love to learn more. And if I'm wrong about what kind of stone it is. And right as I stopped talking about the soapstone, I noticed this rose quartz. It's a good one. Look at that thing. Leaf is getting back here. He's catching up with us. Well, I say us, I mean me. Right after the kids took their break and played in the creek, they were done helping. So it is what it is. It's all right. Child labor, you know. But he has done a great job. Look at that. It's a driveway. There he is, my handsome husband. Look at him. He can do things, y'all. So we're getting closer. Geodome spot's right there, so it's coming in good. You guys let me know what you like to see and what you want to see more of. We're just a family. We're not like social media gurus. We're not bloggers. We're just a husband and wife team with a couple of children that we make work alongside us every now and then, and trying to build ourselves a retirement with these tiny houses up in the mountains of North Carolina. Kind of doing a lot of it as we're able, because we're not millionaires. We work hard for what we have, and I think life is better that way. So comment and let us know what you like. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all the things. Find us on Instagram and Facebook for Creeks NC. See you soon.